節快樂，亦都係我農曆生日，所以 Happy Birthday to me。咁呢幾個 week 都會係我生日啦，所以我諗住下一個 vlog 係我食嗰啲咩啊，或者紀念下我今年生日係點樣過咁。咁夜晚咧就會同一個上海嚟嘅朋友咧一齊去食煲仔飯，都係想同佢感受下啲港式嘅情懷。As long as you remember me and all the ways I used to be, a part of me will always be 18, and time keeps ticking。而家就喺金鐘去緊揾上海嘅朋友，之後我哋去天利地城嗰度食煲仔飯，係去上海嗰間，佢話佢都未食過。我睇
請翻30秒啊
！I'm not quite sure what you want me to say. I'm not quite sure how I'm feeling today, but I'm going away. I'm not gonna stay.
今日我正日生日啦，Lily 咧就勁好請咗我去食飯。
I won't meet you at our favorite cafe. I can't believe we used to do that. We were such a cliche, but now I'm not home. You're deleted off my phone. You used to think that I would always be here waiting just for you, while you dance with her to what?
生日呢個願望之後，我就發現咗原來大概會食到9個9生日個早餐或者係派，所以我就一嚟食大完早餐，做個麥皮啦、煎蛋，拉啡都係住邊佢係要加3蚊。其實我真係好中意朝頭早食麥皮嘅，所以我知道大家都冇中意皮嘅。我而家搭緊船過翻去灣仔咯，Melody約咗我食 birthday lunch 嘅。今日天氣好好啦，啲熱嘅，但係吹住海風嘅舒服。Hello。
I think about that summer day when I went on my first date. We danced.
你可唔可以講多次啱啱係咩味話？
花園餐廳味。
有一個 pistachio Hong Kong milk tea， 即係上面有個雪糕可以撈埋一齊。
Empty parking lot to a song I since forgot. And the first time I held his hand.
本身之前係 Pacific Coffee 咧已經換咗 either birthday cake 或者係咖啡，咁我就揀咖啡。仲有一個生日優惠咧，就係 Starbucks 換一杯生日嘅咖啡。
And I thought this boy could be a man. We must have been watching a movie. I think it was toy.
我喺呢個文咸世界，一朝早就去裝護髮㗎。因為之前咧，我就揾咗我嘅同事有整咗整套西裝啦，而家就想有一個帶你一個硬照。呢個係梁偉詩。
Story 3. As long as you remember me and all the ways I used to be, a part of me will always be 18.
呢邊咧係落緊雨，我喺 St. Regis 仲有 Vanessa 去食 high tea。
And time keeps ticking on, it's true. She'll still
係魚子醬啊！你最想見到佢啲。
away our youth, but that's how I'll remember me and you.
多謝港女邀請我嚟呢度。
生日快樂！
多謝。生日快樂！出我 vlog。拍片啊，你將會上落個 vlog 㗎啦。多謝老細。
唔使客氣，生日快樂！
多謝你。
希望你越嚟越靚仔。
揾多啲錢。
揾多啲錢。
同埋
有咩諗咩有咩
減翻肥，同埋個仔發高長大。
可以先食呢個岩手縣嘅雪解蠔先，跟住赤在雨龍、蜜金鯛、深海池魚，最後先食拖羅。
Spent all of our time outside all day, doing whatever we like. Our
約咗5點半先行住上長命車上去。Hello， 歡迎嚟到我嘅 vlog 啊！烈乾杯，中女衫見到，Gin tonic 個風扇咧，同埋呢件咩？
解釋翻我肚腩唔係咁大咯，咁樣即係我肚腩係嗰個 layer 嚟，OK。
But I don't miss you anymore. Of the
直擊港女影肉。我哋乾杯啊！
days of crying on my floor. I love to pretend.
你介紹一下你嗌啲咩啊？野菜花。而家生日快樂啊！生日快樂啊！生日快樂啊！身體健康最緊要。
That we never met. Buddy, you're a lesson that I do regret. You just pretend I was your girlfriend.
呢個係 tiramisu，呢條女本身嗌咗 vanilla， 但係呢度有人好好送埋另外一張俾咗你試啊！而家我哋嚟到呢個 Upper House 嘅上面，我哋背嘅海景，望嘅係山景。未來女 CEO。
But I was never yours to own. Whenever we're together, I'm alone. So maybe I'll be better off walking the unknown. It's quite funny that I see you on my Instagram lives.